On July 14, 1966, a killer made one mistake that saved a life and solved one of America's most horrific crimes. Richard Speck broke into a Chicago townhouse where 9 student nurses lived. He had a knife, a gun, and tattoos that read, "Born to Raise Hell." For 8 terrifying hours, Speck systematically murdered 8 young women. One by one, he led them to their deaths while controlling the others with threats and violence. But Speck lost count. He thought there were only 8 nurses in the house. He didn't know about the 9th. Corazon Amurao hid under a bed the entire night, motionless, silent, listening to her friends die around her. When police arrived the next morning, Amurao gave them a detailed description of the killer, including those distinctive tattoos. Within days, they found Speck at a local hospital. He was being treated for self-inflicted wounds. Those tattoos made identification impossible to deny. The perfect crime destroyed by a simple counting error. One survivor's testimony brought justice for 8 innocent victims.